The workshop was good, and particularly very important for us now at the stage where we are, just going out of the piloting phase, is the role of the researchers and the research that is going into the product, and whose outcome really we need to improve this product in terms of delivery, in terms of pricing, in terms of taking care of changes in the climatic conditions over the coming years. The single biggest challenge is managing delivery costs to the project over a large, expansive region, over a very difficult terrain, over fairly weak communication systems. So that's the biggest. It's a huge geography that we have to cover, very sparsely populated community that must be reached and must be touched for us to be able to convince and sell the product. So the biggest challenge is meeting that initial cost as we go towards critical mass. The biggest potential is we're looking at a 20 million strong community in the Horn of Africa region with significant amount of wealth that really provides a huge reservoir for an insurance company in terms of growth and expansion. So we're very, very optimistic about the product, and it's a product that requires a significant amount of patience and time, but we have no doubt that it will come to fruition.
And we are using the index-based livestock insurance concept to learn the Kenya Livestock Insurance Program. And the recommendations from this conference, I suggest that we all share and be able to implement them in policy decision making, implementation of programs, and generally transforming research and academia into practical actions. I think the biggest concern is, one is awareness creation. Insurance is not very easy. For the pastoralists that we are targeting, we require a lot of capacity building, a lot of awareness creation before we can say